Hello and welcome. I'm Ruben Banerjee, the editor-in-chief of Outlook, and here again we are with another issue of your favorite magazine. This is how it looks like, and we are here to discuss this latest issue of Outlook. And joining me in today's conversation is Bhavna V. Arora, our political editor, who incidentally has done the main cover story. And as you can see it, like we claim that we are a very topical, relevant magazine. We don't live in a bubble, and we are also at the same time very different from our competitors. And before anyone else has actually got down to this big story, we are possibly the first to have tackled this.
Yes.
2 months from now, Delhi will go to elections, most likely in February. And here we are with a cover story and something that everyone has been talking about. As you can see, it's Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party leader. And what we are asking is something which has engaged everyone in this country of late. Will Kejriwal be able to win Delhi again?
Yeah.
2015 he won a landslide, and very importantly for us, Mr. Kejriwal, who has not been giving interviews to any media houses of late, he opened up with us and he gave us a detailed exclusive interview, and very topical story. Will Kejriwal and his Aam Aadmi Party win Delhi elections 2 months from now? Bhavna, what's your take? And this is how it looks like. This is the opening spread of the story.
Yes. With a lit up broom.
That's their party symbol.
Yeah. Delhi elections are going to be very important this time, because probably after a long time there is a government which is going into elections just on development and based on what they have done. So of course they will come out with the manifesto also promising more things, but basically with a report card. And so like Mr. Kejriwal told us that we have to see काम के नाम पे वोट मिलता है कि नहीं. So though he is confident that they'll win, and I think they have done a pretty good job. And also the opponents, the other parties, BJP and Congress, they are embroiled in fighting. They still haven't been able to come out with a proper plan. They don't have a CM face to counter Mr. Kejriwal. So that way I think he does have an edge as of now.
And as you can make it, like, it's a very well-rounded story, and we have all voices from various sections. Like we have Kejriwal supporters who are batting for him, saying that he has done great job. He has done a great job. We have his critics as well, like say Mr. Prashant Bhushan, who believes that Kejriwal, the transformation of Kejriwal from an activist into a hardcore real full-time politician. Mr. Bhushan says that Kejriwal has actually ignored his main electoral plank, the last
anti-corruption
time,
and Lokpal, Jan Lokpal.
Yeah. So, and we have taken one very hard look at all the things that Kejriwal has possibly done.
A ground report.
Bijli, Pani, and all that he hasn't done.
Yeah.
And we have tried to do a very detailed, very balanced, and that is what Outlook's calling card is. We are very impartial, and we are very proud of the fact that we take no sides, but the truth. And we have actually, even in the story, like, we have sat down for an interview with the BJP Delhi President Manoj Tiwari, and we gave him the platform, and he took Kejriwal apart. But then that's his point of view, and we value that. So
like Manoj Tiwari said that they've been spending a lot of money on publicity, and it's more publicity than work. So that was the BJP's point of view.
So it's a very well-rounded story, and this is something which everyone will start talking about now, because elections are just 2 months away, and Delhi is going to be a very closely fought election. And Kejriwal is, whether you like it or not, he has been a phenomenon.
Yes.
And he had caught the popular imagination in 2012, ever since that India Against Corruption, Anna Hazare's movement started.
Just a 7-year-old party.
7-year-old party.
Yeah, and the fact that they have established themselves, at least in Delhi, yes, they have not been able to really make a mark out of Delhi, though they have tried.
Their national aspirations have taken a kind of a hit.
Yeah.
But in Delhi, it seems that Aam Aadmi Party is kicking and alive.
Yes.
And they are getting ready for a very hard-fought election.
Yes.
So it's a very good story, and very nicely packaged, well-rounded, with a detailed interview with Mr. Kejriwal, which I said It's kind of a rarity these days. He has not been giving interviews,
Yeah.
and this is possibly one of the first interviews he has given to a mainstream magazine
Yes.
or any media house in recent months. So please do check this out, and before everyone else starts talking about Delhi elections.
Yeah.
And as always, like Outlook, I am very proud of the fact that we have a great team working here, and we are fantastic. And last two issues, because this also happens to be a 25th anniversary, Outlook's 25th anniversary, and we are marking it by we have undergone a kind of a design change, and the magazine is looking more busier. We have introduced a lot of new pages. We are catching even stories which normally we wouldn't have tackled, tidbits, data, interesting things that are happening. So the pages are looking different. The magazine is looking more livelier, and as always, we have not compromised on the long form stories, the more detailed stories. We have all of them.
Yes.
We have struck a fine balance, and as you can see, this is again a back of the book, a fantastic story on Dalit entrepreneurs
Yeah.
who are making a mark. Like we have profiled one particular chamar,
Yeah.
which is becoming a kind of a brand now. They are into all kinds of accessories, leather and
Yeah.
whatever. So it's a very interesting, fascinating trend story. We have a very detailed interview with Johan Blake, the sprinter, Jamaican sprinter, the world's second fastest runner, who has talked to us, spoken to us about the doping scandal and everything. And it's a very well packed magazine, an issue. We have stories from across the country. Chennai, in Bangalore, the lakes have been overflowing. We have looked at that. We have looked at the Hyderabad gang rape, and
Yes.
what has changed. We have asked what has changed since Nirbhaya rape in Delhi. Actually, if you go through the story, you will realize that nothing has changed. Like,
Despite the new law and everything that came after Nirbhaya, and that is why we have seen what has happened now.
yeah, the today's Hyderabad
The encounter, yeah.
Yeah, and this is how the magazine has got busier, because we have these all stories which normally in a long form magazine we wouldn't have covered. Now you get a sense of all that has happened across the globe, around the globe, in the last 1 week. So I'm sure you like this, the new Outlook. We are doing our best, and do keep us sending your feedback. That is very, very important for us. See you next week. Thank you.